So friend, Samsung Galaxy G Fold 7 specs leak revealing a surprising number of upgrades, and Samsung Galaxy G Fold 7 is coming this year, most likely in July. We have already heard that it would launch with Android 16 and One UI 8.0, and sometimes made possibly by the fact that Google move up the new Android version release timeframe to sometime in Q2 on April to June. Today, a new rumor claims to give us some more important details about what to expect from Samsung's next internationally available book-style foldable, and it will unsurprisingly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy SoC, just like the Galaxy S25 line. And it will also allegedly come with an improved under-display selfie camera, a stronger display with new layers, and whatever that means, improved water and dust resistance, a smaller crease, a bigger vapor chamber, and even upgraded speakers and a better vibration motor than its predecessor. But wait, there's more. The device is said to also be thinner at 4.5 mm unfolded and sport bigger display, 8-inch inner and 6.5-inch outer. Finally, it should get a 200 megapixel main camera, possibly the same one used by the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's quite a list of upgrades for a model line that hasn't seen a lot of them in recent years. So while it's not necessarily breaking any new ground, the Fold 7 has the potential to put Samsung back on the foldable map when you compare this device to its Chinese competitors. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.